What if you have a cough that won't go away and you want to get a good night rest? This is what you do. You get some chamomile tea, get some oranges, get a lemon, honey, and if you have a little bit of whiskey, brandy, or some type of alcohol, mix it all together, let it steep for 3 minutes, and then have a drink with it. Okay? Before you go to bed, then that way the alcohol and the mixture, either a mulled wine or a hot toddy will do, and this will help clear out your throat. Okay? Stay knowing.